Hello and welcome back. I'm going to show you guys how to clean the grinder really easy way. So let's get going. Only thing you need is vacuum cleaner with a hose. Okay, let's get going. Now it's clean. As you can see from the top, I'm just gonna make sure be careful opening it. Sometimes you get really stuck. You see all this stuff there? Now we are going to vacuum it one more time. Now you can see still has the coffee grinds below. So here's what we're gonna do, something fun, okay? If you have a blower, so much easier. So let me show you. So I got this duster from my shop, my computer shop. And I know some of you may not have this at home, but so using this duster, I don't have to dismantle the grinder. So let me show you. So now your grinder is good as new. There's no old crust, coffee grinds in there, so it's all nice and clean. Only thing left to do is put back on your upper burr, lock in your hopper. We're all good to go. I hope this video helps. If you have any question or comment, please let me know. See you guys next time.